Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your Kick username. Now, the first thing I want you to do, once you have Kick opened, come to the top right, click on your profile icon. So this is our username. To change it is very easy. Click here on settings. And now you'll see right here, this is our profile, okay? And you see username right here. Now, to be able to change your username, you need to first enable two-factor authentication. So you just click on this to enable two-factor authentication, set it up. Then you can easily come here, change your username. Okay, so click here, enable two-factor authentication. And then what you do is you scan this QR code with your authenticator app, or you can continue with that code. So let me go ahead and open up my Google Authenticator and we will scan this right here. So I'm currently scanning this code and there we go. We can now click on continue. They'll ask you for your 6-digit code. So here I have Kick, I'll put it in. There we go. Click here on continue. And now that we have configured it, if I come back to profile and we go ahead and scroll down until we see username, you're able to change this. Let's change this to Pioneer, okay, 2713. Click on Save Changes. And now we just use the verification code from our Authenticator app. Okay, there we go. Click on Save Changes and we're done. Username has been updated. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.